In this video, we will be discussing the Opposing Viewpoints database. This database features many essays with different experts taking different points of views on controversial subjects. If you're writing a pro-con paper or a paper where you're trying to come up with a solution to some problem, looking at these different essays and the different opinions that are being expressed can help you formulate your paper. Okay, so I'm currently sitting on the Library Journal database page. If you need help getting to this page, see our other video, a tour of the journal databases, and that will give you directions on how to get to this page. And we're gonna go right in. So, opposing viewpoints. Before we actually look at some of the other stuff, if you're having some difficulty coming up with an idea for a paper or a topic for a paper, this database, Opposing Viewpoints, has a browse issues right here. And these are all the issues that they have viewpoints and opinions on, and you can break these down into different subject areas. For example, we could say, let's restrict it to family issues. So here's all the subject areas that they've got viewpoints on. Let's just take a look at medical care. So say we're gonna pick medical care as our topic. And if you come down here, so this is what's going on. So we have viewpoints. Now, viewpoints are essays by people trying to express a particular point of view, okay? You might disagree, you might agree. They're going to argue their point of view. So broken healthcare system is causing rampant burnout among doctors and nurses. So they're making the statement that this burnout is being caused by our healthcare system. Rural Americans struggle for healthcare access. Insurers may be making things worse. So this is an opinion. Now, these are the featured viewpoints. So these are the top 5 that they sort of think represent the area. But if you want to look at all the viewpoints, you can click on this one. Ethics for healthcare data is obsessed with risk, not public benefits. Medicare for all would ruin the care Americans already like. And a lot of these, if you keep looking, there'll be an opposite one. So if this one here, Medicare for all would ruin the care Americans already like, there's probably another one here that says Medicare L would improve the care Americans already have. So you can look to find the other one. But let's just take a look at one of these. And like, again, this is an essay. So they're gonna give you a little commentary at the beginning, some things for you to consider, and then they're gonna go right into the article. And whoever this is, they're going to be arguing their point of view. You can have their citation here if you're going to include this in your paper. You know, here's your typical more like this, other related subjects. Let's go back. Oh, you get the idea. Now, another thing they have in here besides viewpoints is they'll have a selection of academic journals on this particular topic that may or may not be useful to you. So this is different than when we're searching for journal articles over in, let's say, Academic Search Complete, but this could be useful too. So those are the main parts in Opposing Viewpoints. You can start up here with browse issues, find some topic that's interesting to you, or you could type one in and see different viewpoints on that, and then go from there. I already showed you the citation. If you have questions on this, or if you're having a hard time finding what you need, as always, please email us at library@lasierre.edu, and we'd be happy to help you. Good luck.